Hello, I am Samantha and I am a special education teacher. I am getting my master's degree.
While using this cough drop app, I've learned that it is actually pretty easy to use. The tutorials in the beginning when first signing up are really helpful and can point you in the right direction of what to do and how to do it. There are also different levels of boards for different types of communication, which I also thought was really helpful. They also have recommended boards, and then they also give you a chance for you to make your own board, which is so great for the students who need specialized boards, and the fact that you can add to boards and make it personalized, so you can add certain activities that you want to do, and you can add names of family members and students. So I thought that was really great. In my experiences, I've worked with different apps for communication devices, and this has been actually one of the more easier ones. I would definitely recommend using this cough drop app, and I'm actually so glad that we got a chance to experiment with it. While doing this activity, it really brought to life the challenges that students who use communication devices might face. It seems when the students are using it that it might be easy, but putting yourself in their shoes really shows you how difficult it can be. I'm really glad that we had this experience to get a chance to actually play around with these devices, because it gives you a whole new perspective of what these students might go through.